Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So here's the situation right now. It's a little messy. My closet's getting better. I'll do a separate video on that whenever I clean it up. This spot right here, I'm going to put my vanity here, so I'll do a separate video on that later as well. Right now I'm just going to try to clean out as much junk as I can. I'm not going to do clothes today because I ordered hangers on Amazon, so I'm waiting for them to arrive. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, if you hear somebody yelling, that's my son in the background, so sorry about that. So I just cleaned out this spot. This spot is for my vanity table. I mostly move everything into the closet. I'm supposed to do this side today too as well. So I have to go through the things and see what I need and what I don't need. Okay, so I realized I cannot finish the side until I do the closet. So I put all of my things over here, and then I need to do a separate video on my closet. And over here I just have my clean clothes that I need to fold. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this boring vlog. I'll see you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching.